नमस्कार मित्रांनो, आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये खूप खूप स्वागत आहे. तुम्हाला जर माझा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. आज आपण नवीन टॉपिकचा अभ्यास करत आहे आणि त्या टॉपिकचं नाव आहे अल्कोहोल्स, फिनॉल्स अँड इथर्स. The introductions of alcohols are the general representations of alcohols are single bond OH, where R be the alkyl radicals or alkyl groups. Single bond OH, this is the functional group of alcohols, and name of this functional group is hydroxyl groups. The general reactions is R single bond H, this is the alkanes. One hydrogen atom of alkanes is replaced by hydroxyl groups and compound obtained, that is R single bond OH, is called as alcohol. The definitions of alcohols are hydroxyl derivatives of hydrocarbons in which one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by one or more hydroxyl groups is called as alcohols. For examples, CH4, that is the methane. In methane, one hydrogen atom of methane is replaced by one hydroxyl groups to give CH3OH, that is methyl alcohol. Classifications of alcohols on the basis of number of hydroxyl groups present in the molecules. पहिलं क्लासिफिकेशन्स आहे मोनोहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल CH3OH, दॅट इज मिथिल अल्कोहोल्स. दुसरं एक्झाम्पल आहे CH3CH2OH, दॅट इज इथिल अल्कोहोल्स. दोन्ही एक्झाम्पलचा अभ्यास केला असता आपणास स्पष्ट दिसत आहे की एक हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप्स हा अटॅच आहे एक कार्बन ॲटमला. यानुसार आपल्याला डेफिनेशन या पद्धतीनं करता येईल. मोनोहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल्स contains only one hydroxyl groups in their molecules is called as monohydric alcohols. दुसरं क्लासिफिकेशन्स आहे डायहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इथिलीन ग्लायकॉल, CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड OH, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2, सिंगल बॉन्ड OH. एक्झाम्पलचा अभ्यास केला असता आपणास स्पष्ट दिसत आहे दोन हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप्स हे अटॅच आहे दोन वेगवेगळ्या कार्बन ॲटमला. त्यानुसार आपल्याला डेफिनेशन्स अशी करावी लागेल. डायहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल्स कंटेन टू हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप्स इज अटॅच टू different carbon atoms is called as dihydratic. तिसरं क्लासिफिकेशन्स आहे ट्रायहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ग्लिसरीन और ग्लिसरॉल्स. फॉर्म्युला इज CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड OH, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH, सिंगल बॉन्ड OH, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2, सिंगल बॉन्ड OH. एक्झाम्पलचा अभ्यास केला असता आपणास स्पष्ट दिसत आहे तीन हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप्स हे अटॅच आहे तीन वेगवेगळ्या कार्बन ॲटमला. यानुसार आपणास डेफिनेशन्स अशी करता येईल. डायहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल्स कंटेन 3 hydroxyl groups is attached to different carbon atoms is called as ट्रायहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल्स. चौथं क्लासिफिकेशन्स आहे पॉलिहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सॉर्बिटॉल्स और हेक्साहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल्स. फॉर्मूला इज CH2 single bond OH, single bond CH, 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 single bond OH, single bond CH2, single bond OH. The definition is polyhydric alcohols contain more than 3 hydroxyl groups attached to different carbon atoms is called as polyhydric alcohols. The next point is monohydric alcohols. The definitions of monohydric alcohols is alcohols which have only one hydroxyl groups are known as monohydric alcohols. The general representations is R single bond OH. For example, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Classifications of monohydric alcohol according to type of hybridizations of carbon atoms to which hydroxyl group attached. The classifications of monohydric alcohol: type first, alcohol containing C(sp3) single bond OH bond. First type is alkyl alcohol. Second type is allylic alcohols. Third type is benzylic alcohols. Type second, alcohol containing C(sp2) OH bond. First type is phenolic alcohols and second type is phenol. First classification is alkyl alcohols. These alcohol contain C(sp3) OH bond. It can be divided into the 3 types. First is primary alcohols. For example, CH3OH, that is methyl alcohols. The definition is hydroxyl groups means single bond OH is attached to primary carbon atoms is called as primary alcohols. Type second, secondary alcohols. For example, CH3 single bond CH, single bond CH3, single bond OH. That is isopropyl alcohols. The definition is hydroxyl group is attached to second carbon atoms is called as secondary alcohol. Type third, that is tertiary alcohols. For example, CH3 single bond C, single bond CH3, single bond CH3, single bond OH. That is tertiary butyl alcohols. The definition is the hydroxyl group is attached to third carbon atoms is called as tertiary alcohol. Type second, allylic alcohols. This alcohol contain C(sp3) OH bond. The definitions of allylic alcohols is hydroxyl groups means single bond OH is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atoms which attach carbon-carbon double bonds is called as allylic alcohols. It can be divided into the three types. First is primary allylic alcohols. Second is secondary allylic alcohols. And third is tertiary allylic alcohols. Type third, benzylic alcohols. This alcohol containing C sp3OH bond. The definitions of benzylic alcohols are hydroxyl groups, that is single bond OH attached to carbon atoms, which is sp3 hybridized carbon atoms attached to benzene ring is called as benzylic alcohols. Type second, alcohol contain C sp2OH bond. First classification is phenolic alcohols. In alcohols, OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom, which is the part of carbon-carbon double bond, is called as phenolic alcohols. For example, CH2 double bond CH single bond OH, that is phenolic alcohols. माझ्या प्रिय विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या व्हिडिओच्या माध्यमातून आपल्याला 2 प्रश्नाचा अभ्यास करता येईल. त्यामधील पहिला प्रश्न असा आहे, व्हॉट आर द अल्कोहोल्स, हाऊ आर दे क्लासिफाइड्स. दुसरा प्रश्न आपल्याला असा अभ्यासता येईल, व्हॉट आर द मोनोहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल्स, हाऊ आर